craving for nails.
Wow. Oh man, you first
Mandy,
time
sit
ah.
down properly.
Wow.
Sit down properly.
Can I see?
Kiddie foods pala.
Mandy, how does it feel?
Bag.
Huh?
You were vlogging it, so
Ay, dapat pala pinicture mo yung dating paa ni Mandy.
Oo nga, before na after. Let me see,
Angat mo,
Mandy.
angat mo muna. Angat mo muna.
Let me see.
Sit down properly. Sit down properly. Sit down ka. Paano kung marirelax niya? Relax. Yes.
Uy, chill oh.
Pakita mo yung paa mo. Pakita mo yung paa mo. Oh, tingnan yung paa niya.
Let
Pakita
me
mo
see,
yung paa
Mandy. Let me
mo.
see. Yeah.
Sige na.
Is it hot, Mandy?
a little.
A little.
You vlog yourself too.
Feel good?
The others will be so gross because your feet is so stinky. You haven't washed it for 10 years. Did you know that, guys?
Oh my god. Mandy, look, it's getting black. Because your feet is so dirty. The water is black.
No,
Just
it's
kidding.
not.
Just kidding.
Okay, then yours is gonna
Yung
be
paa mo niyan, kasi diba magaspang yung paa mo. Sabi ni Granny. Papahawak natin yung paa mo later. Kiddies pa lang tawag.
Is it cold la? Gusto mo, Mandy, you want me to bring your sweater?
No.
Akala ko you want
Where are you? Where are you?
You want me to brush her. What's
Is this-
you read that?
Where?
That one. Lani.
Beauty salon.
Ayan.
Ngayon,
You also gonna do your nails, Mandy? Let me see. Ay, talaga naman. What?
This is my promise to her.
Really? Pati yung...
Nung nagpaganto ako ng buhok, nagagalit siya kasi walang coats pa. Pinramis ko sa kanya.
Yan na, Mandy. Hindi, ako wag na. Pinano mo ako? Sabi ko, wag na.
Okay na yan.
stop it.
Chill. Magkano? Two.
Rusty.
Tapos pag ano, sabihin niya, ano, wala naman pera, ano. Nagalit na, no? Mandy, your turn. Well, si Mandy rin, gagawin din yan. What?
Pero hindi yan ko.
How does it feel? You want to swim there, Mandy?
No, ew.
Just gonna get your...
Stop!
I'm just looking for, maybe there's Krabby Patty. Or SpongeBob there.
Ah, there's no more Krabby Patty. There are Mr. Krabs.
I wanna see how do you feel later when there's crab in your foot. Achie!
Stop it, Papa. Close your eyes. Close. 2 eyes.
No. You know.
I'm getting so mad.
Ay, sige po.
What?
Kita, si Mandy na, oh. Ooh.
I don't like
Si
it.
tickling. Si ticklish, Mandy.
I don't like it.
Oh, you know how it feels now for food spa.
No, I
Sit down
don't
ka
know.
properly para ma-relax ka.
Chill ka lang, ganun. Oh.
Ay, wag
Ouch.
malikot si ate.
Si Mandy, look, oh, they're,
Sit down ka kasi naabot niya yung paa mo.
they're removing the millions of dirts, man.
Ay.
Uy. Ay, sarap buhay.
Kasi naabot niya yung paa mo.
Mandy, yung ate is stitching your foot. Oh my God, look at that. Ah, sorry.
I hate this vlog.
No, I'm just taking a video.
Ate, careful daw ate.
Oh, yeah.
Having a hard time.
Chill, relax lang. Here, on your, at the back of your head. Like this. Here, at the back of your head.
No.
Like you're having a sunbathing.
No, I'm so angry at
How does it feel, Mandy? Good?
I'm angry at you. This was gonna be the worst vlog ever.
You're so quick. Like a cat. But Oops. Dopsy. Yan na, Mandy. Oh, you clean na. Wow. Ay. Ay, bababad
This is
ko.
what you get.
Sama pala ako. Ay, bababad yan.
You're rusty.
Oh, so hot, Mandy. Oh, okay lang. Init.
Kaya na.
Pwede na po. Sige. Mandy, it's so hot pala.
This is a revenge. Stop it. No, you
They will
keep
scrub
your
that.
friend.
They will scrub that too. My God, mine is getting Put that at the back of your head. Sit down, sit down. Not like that. Ay. Yan na si ate. Ate will scrub it. Uy. Ay, sorry. Saan di kami na?
Stop massaging me.
Saring. No, I'm just taking a look at your foot. Mandy, the hairs are gone, Mandy. Also, Mandy, the hairs are gone. Ah, it's getting hot.
That's what you get. I asked them to make the hottest.
The hottest water here.
Yes. That's what you want. Yeah, that's what you're the rented.
My feet are melting. Yan na, i-scrub na.
You're so cool.
I-scrub nyo rin ba yan? Is there something to scrub? Ano? I don't think there's something to scrub.
Stop it.
Let me see the dirt. Let me see the dirt. Hey, si Kuya. Mandy. Chill lang kasi look at the music ko. Chill like this. Oh, copy me like this. Hindi copy me like this. Oh, yan.
Papa, look.
Oh my God.
It's you get.
Kaya okay naman tayo, di ba? May video. Yung paa lang naman nila, no? Ano? Mama, look at mama. Sleeping.
Papa, look.
Can't wait for them to scratch your foot. How do you feel, man? Oh my God, it's my turn.
Yeah. Can't wait to see you.
Yeah.
Dalawang paso.
Ooh, so dirty.
Sige, sir.
Him.
Mandy. Mandy. Hi.
You're not feeling any, or you just stopping it?
I'm not.
Just control. Really? Wow, relaxing. Ouch! Chill ka lang. Lumandilo ko. Oh, you scratch this. Oh my God.
You're the one.
Chill ka lang. Straight body. Straight body or else they will massage.
Mandy, smile
They will massage your back.
Mandy, picture kayo pa. 1, 2, smile. Ay, ayoko na nga kay Mama. Hindi kita papaliw. Papa. Wait lang. Blur ka. 1, 2, 3. Papa. You're not alive. Mandy. You're being relaxed.
Mandi oh. 3 legs, Mandi oh. Oh my God, Mandi. Sa tigil. Oh my God. They're removing a lot.
And look at your feet, there's a blood.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a blood.
Parang malamig ka, di pa naman ako dyan.
Bebe. Bebe, straight.
Ah, it's getting pink, Mandy. It's getting pink.
Mandy, that's your... Dapat pinuhin na natin yung pang-glam na kuko.
Pang?
Meron akong... Hindi natin sa kanila.
Yes, tigil. No, I said I'm tickled.
Nahirapan si Tama. Ay, si Happy.
What? Oh my God, it's glittering, Mandy. So beautiful. Are you stopping your smile, Mandy?
Palagyan mo kami.
Mandy, Mandy. Is that enough, Mandy? Maybe it's black, better color black.
I would like black. Stop it, please.
Color pink. Let's put black so it's black pink in your area. Good. Ouch! Also your nails. They will do your nails also. You also your nails, Mandy. They will do that too? Really? And then you will have a haircut also? Total makeover, Mandy? Wow, Mandy. Let me see. Yes. Hindi wala rin sa Christmas party niya. Good. Ay, ayaw pala niya, mama. Mandy doesn't like.
Because you vlog it.
Ay, okay. Why? What's wrong?
Green, stop.
So maybe they will go also here. Are you kidding me? You tell them, hello. Hi, hello. Kasi yun.
So your friends can go here as well.
Oh my God. Mandy, sleep over here. Mandy. They will sleep over here. Let me see, Mandy. Your left hand. Yeah. Also your teeth, Mandy. Let's put Q-tips on your teeth. Good. Focus, concentrate. Mandy, like a statue. Like a statue. No moving, even the lips, even the eyes. Yes. Slay. Up. Careful. Oh no, now you can hold your iPad. Oh no. No, you're gonna be like that for 2 days.
Don't wash dishes.
You can't wash hundreds of dishes.
Sabi muna siya.
Yeah. Let me see. Both of it, man. Slay. Do the zombie dance na.